Hello guys, how are you doing? How was your holiday season? I hope it was good. Ours was. This is gonna be on the goals for Scratch Kitchen in 2022. Get back in the kitchen. I've gotten out that habit with a camera. Track shortages. I would appreciate it if wherever you are, if you go in the comments when I do videos on shortages, putting where you're at and what you're seeing. Trying one new recipe a month. Try something new. Though I'm not saying go crazy with grilled octopus, just something new. Menu plan. Oh my god, I've got to get back to it. And speak of that, make your own takeout. It's not that hard. It's pretty easy. Pinterest helps you with.